ESR Rebound magnetic keyboard case is a premium Bluetooth keyboard with a floating cantilever stand and precision track pack that allows you to work from anywhere, as well as has shortcut keys right on the keyboard. So for me, this is great for when you're wanting to work on the go but not bring a whole computer with you. You can have a nice lightweight iPad but have the benefits of having a mouse and keyboard on the go. This will work with a variety of different sizes. Check your compatibility. There is even a place to put a digital pen as well as a cutout to still be able to use the camera on your iPad. It is a lightweight case that comes in both a black and white variation. Here is the black, and it magnets to keep it closed. It is very sturdy when you have your iPad in place. No issues with it coming kind of unattached or anything, and just looks very sleek. Check it out.